Hello, Amanda here, and welcome to my beginner sewing journey. And we're turning this t-shirt into a tank top, and basically I wanted it to be the shape of this blue shirt, like the style of it, but I wanted it to be the length of this pink one. But I really need to pay attention to fabrics, so like the other two were really stretchy, this one is not as stretchy. So what I did was cut it and I pinned it. Luckily, I tried it on before cutting any more, and as you can see, it was hella tight. I could barely get that over my head. So what I did was I went ahead and sewed it shut with like all those edges that you just saw. So I'm learning my lesson to really pay attention to stretchy fabric versus non-stretchy fabric. I get it, you know. So now I'm sewing the sides together with a zigzag stitch. I learned zigzag stitch is better for when the area needs more stretch. And in my first project with the red outfit, I did a straight stitch. So now I know, it's a learning process. And here is what the zigzag stitch looks like. I think I actually kept it really straight. I'm working on my straight lines, which is another thing for the hemline. I used my single needle straight stitch. I have the twin needle, but I wanted to practice sewing straight. And it's slightly wonky, but it's okay. I'm not too concerned about this shirt. This was just for fun. I did do the side seams with a straight stitch, and they weren't the best. Like, I kind of missed some parts because I didn't cut it straight. But overall, this is how it came out. And I feel like to someone who's not, like, no one's going to look at my shirt that close. Like, it looks like a basic, gym tee or just casual tee, which is what I wanted. I wanted like more casual clothes for spring and summer. The back is a little weird, but I don't really care about that. I kept the front, like I have it kind of hip length, and then I can roll it up or keep it at hip length if I want. So I kind of like that control, because some tops are really cropped and then sometimes I just don't want to show any belly, and sometimes I do. So I like this little like 1 centimeter I'm giving right now. Overall, I did this in like 40 minutes right after work because I was feeling bored. I love sewing. I think it's my calling, even though I am still so new to it. I just absolutely have so much fun and lose myself in it. So, subscribe to see more of my sewing journey. If you like this video, let me know. Okay, bye!